Hello everybody. I'm going to make this video for sell this camera. It's very old camera, and this camera is not my camera. This is my father camera, and his and I want to sell it. If you are anti-collection, so you can buy this. So all contact or all details and all everything details on the description box. And if you are an anti-collection, don't expect that the price is affordable. The price will maybe very expensive. And because my father was a professional photographer, and he's not he's no more with us. So this is a MAMIYA camera, and my father purchased it directly from Japan, imported it from Japan in just 1980, just the year 1980. So this camera is working so good. So this camera needs 120 film, and you can see the MAMIYA C330. This is the MAMIYA. It is a purely made in Japan. It's instead of made in China. I can show you that that camera is made purely in Japan. MAMIYA camera, company limited. And everything is okay. And this is the back cover. This is the cover. It's a leather cover. This is a cover. This one and this one. Lens is okay, and it is a bit dusty. A bit dusty. You can open this viewfinder. You can open this viewfinder, or you can see through here. But you can't see through this video, but this is a viewfinder. And you can see the camera is made in Japan, and this is a 120 film. So everything is okay. This is the meter of how many film you are using, and there are no film. Okay, that's because there are no film, so I'm showing you. So you can click it here. It has a double click. You can click it here, or you can click it here. And this is yeah, everything is okay, no defect. So my father, before die, he says us sell all the old cameras to sell, to whom those people are want to collect some anti-collection and collect some money and donate it to some missionary or charity fund. So I collect some money and I donate it to some charity fund. Everything is okay. And now how you open this back cover to insert a film? Yes. This is a 120 film case. Everything is okay. You can see rolling perfectly. I want to sell it, or you can pay me through wire transfer, through PayPal, and through Pioneer account. I have a Pioneer account, I have a PayPal account, or you can directly deposit to my bank account through wire transfer. So wire transfer is a very good option to me because there are no third party in between you and me. So you can directly pay through wire transfer. And this cable, it's a flash cable. Insert it here. Insert it here. And this is a lock. This is a lock. Okay. And this is unlock. So I have shown you everything about this. What is the about this camera? So if you want to buy it, so contact to me, and that the shipping charge extra, you pay the shipping charge, because if you are coming from abroad outside India, the shipping charge is very costly, and shipping charge you can give the shipping charge. So if you want to buy it, just contact to me. And it has a manual book, So you can get everything, back cover, this one, and this one, and with manual book. So if you want to buy, just contact me. Thanks for watching.